In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred. Click on the search bar and type Task Manager, then open it. Look for any processes related to Valorant, Vanguard, Riot Games, and Riot Client. If you see any of this running, right click on the process, select End Task to close it. Now, hold Windows plus R button to open, run, and type %local app data %, then press enter. Locate and open Valorant folder. Inside the Valorant folder, open the saved folder. You will see multiple folders like config, crashes, logs, and web cache. Delete everything inside the saved folder. Now, open the search bar again and type services, then click on it. Scroll down, press V to look for VGC. Double click on VGC. Set the startup type to automatic. Click on Start, then click OK. After following these steps, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Valorant a critical error has occurred issue. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.